Hello friends, this video is about names and sounds of animals. For more educational and informative content, subscribe my YouTube channel. Donkey donkey. Camel camel. Goat goat. Sheep sheep. Hyena hyena. Hippopotamus hippopotamus. Squirrel squirrel. Rabbit rabbit. Buffalo buffalo. Cow cow. Horse horse. Wolf wolf. Bear bear. Monkey monkey. Cat. Dog dog. Gorilla gorilla. Kangaroo kangaroo. Elephant elephant. Tiger tiger. Lion lion.
Don't forget to subscribe.